Hello, just out on a little 10 miler. I thought I'd just do a quick video because I needed to test this microphone, and it's the ideal conditions because it's really windy today. I wanted to do a proper video tomorrow, but it looks like the weather is atrocious and I don't quite know how waterproof this microphone is. I'm still going to go out tomorrow, and I've got a video coming up that I've made of things to get you started, what equipment you'll need, what equipment I use, and so on and so forth. So I just thought I'd make this quick little video today, just on this little 10-mile ride. It's going to help me blow out the cobwebs. I work nights, so I've been asleep most of the day, lazy bugger. So yeah, just a little 10-mile loop just before it gets dark, and to test the audio on this microphone. Hopefully it's okay, and I can upload this, and then I'll be golden for future videos. I'm really lucky actually. I live in the heart of West Sussex, and there's tons of just lovely quiet country lanes that just roll through loads of little villages. I'm very lucky. I don't think I'd ride if I lived in a city or any built up areas. I'm very blessed to live where I live. Little cottages everywhere. I'm so glad I came out. I am so glad I came out. I wasn't going to. I was actually quite tired. I only managed to sleep about 4 or 5 hours. And I wasn't going to go out, and I thought, well, I better had, because it's going to be horrible tomorrow. It's the last day where it's not raining. I'm so glad I did, because it really just does help lift your mood. Even if it's grey like this, I mean, I'm not saying it's miserable here, but I just saw 2 short fellas looking for Mount Doom. So, but yeah, it really just does help. And yeah, cycling has just helped me get rid of my depression, because every time I come out on the bike, rain or shine, I get about halfway round and I'm just absolutely buzzing. It's just the adrenaline, the endorphins, I think it's the right word, it gives your brain. And it's just so good for you as well. It's so good. It's not like running, where running is quite hard on your knees and it's quite hard work. Cycling is as hard and as easy as you want to make it. You know, I'm just pootling along. I'm not going crazy. I'm just pootling along through the lanes, and yeah, and that's the great thing about it, is you can just go out for a 10-mile ride. It takes you half an hour, 40 minutes if you just pootle along, something like that. You know, but at the end of the day, who cares? Who cares how long it takes? You could go out and do 10 miles and take an hour and a half. I often go out sometimes on my gravel bike, and I'm stopping a lot because I like to take photos and stuff of stuff I find. Yeah, I'll tell you what though, I can't wait to get a bike mounted system for this camera, because holding this through these country lanes is a little bit dodgy. I'm having to be extra careful when I come up to a corner, because I've got it in my right hand, and the right brake, lever is my front brake, so that's the most powerful one. Right, it's another one bites the dust. As I said, I was really glad I got out, actually, because I instantly feel just a lot more awake, and it makes me feel better now, because I know tomorrow's horrible. So I know, at least if I don't go out tomorrow, which I probably will, but at least I've got at least I got out. As I said, that was just a little 11 miler, a little circuit near my house, that's just great for blowing out the cobwebs. It's pretty flat, and it's lots of little winding lanes, and yeah, it's really nice. Hopefully the audio is good on this one, and yeah, as I said, I've got a video in the making of showing someone who's never done cycling before how to get into it, what you need, the equipment, the clothing, what I use, etc, etc. So yeah, that's coming up, and then the video after that, hopefully we'll have this big ride I've got planned. I'm praying it's good weather for that, because it's going to be about 70 miles, so I'm hoping it's good weather, I can get some nice footage. So yeah, all right, well, I'll catch you on the next one. Toodle pip.